A deeply disturbing pattern is unfolding in Balochistan. The enforced disappearances of Baloch women is no longer treated as an extraordinary crime, but it has become an everyday occurrence, where almost on daily basis the new cases are being reported. Women taken from their homes in front of their family members without warrants, without any charges, and without any information provided to their family members. What was once unthinkable is now being quietly normalized in forms of disappearing Baloch women. Balochistan has long faced the practice of enforced disappearances, but targeting of Baloch women, including underage girls, mothers with their infant children, and pregnant women, marks a dangerous escalation of state violence. Women in Baloch society have historically been at the forefront of Baloch resistance as mothers, sisters, daughters, and as an activists. Targeting Baloch women is not incidental. It is a calculated attempt to terrorize the entire communities, break their collective morale, and punish families who are demanding their basic rights. What is most alarming right now is the silence surrounding these crimes. Despite the frequency and severity of these cases, little is expected from the mainstream media, but there is also no outrage from the political parties, human rights organizations, lawyers, and civil society. The absence of sustained condemnation has allowed enforced disappearances to become routine, stripped of urgency, and reduced to mere statistics rather than recognized as crimes against humanity. For us, this time, silence in this context means complicity. We urge people from all walks of life to raise their voices against this state repression and to stand in solidarity with the ongoing Baloch Ekjehti Committee's campaign demanding the release of disappeared Baloch women. Raising one's voice is not an act of defiance, it is an act of humanity. Today, Baloch women are being disappeared in plain sight. If this cruelty is allowed to continue unchallenged, tomorrow the silence will consume all communities.